We will be doing two-way clipper. We will be doing two-way clipper. So we have taken one V sign, we have taken V sign, one resistor. Now I want diode. Diode I will take D1N 914. I want two diodes. And V reference also I will keep, VDC or V reference also I will keep. So below the first diode, below the second diode, I am supposed to keep VDC. Now I will select this and I will rotate this. Control R is for rotate. One is upward direction, one is downward direction. Control R, downward direction. Okay. So now I will drag and put it above this VDC. I will drag and keep above this VDC. I need one ground analog, ground 0 voltage. I will join the components. Circuit is very, very simple and easy. I have to shift one diode negative. Okay, one diode I need negative. Just I will show you the two-way clipping. Okay, clipping both the half cycles. You can see downward facing diode, the VR is positive. Upward facing diode, VR is negative. Okay, we have to fix the negative reference, positive reference. Upward facing, we have to put it negative. So what I will do here, I have to rotate this VDC. Upward facing diode, I have to fix the reference negative. Control R, Control R. Okay. Just I have to drag it. So upward facing diode, we are putting V reference negative. And downward facing diode, we are putting a reference positive. Downward facing means positive clipper. Positive clipper. Upward facing means, diode upward facing means it is negative clipper. That's why reference we are putting negative. This is about the circuit. Now the reference voltage, what I will do for the input, double click on this V sign. I will give DC 0, AC 0, V of 0, 3 zeros. Then V amplitude, I will give 20. So sine waveform will be minus 20 to plus 20. And the frequency, I will give 1 kilohertz, 1K, small k, 1 kilohertz. These are the values I am doing. 3 zeros, V amplitude 20, frequency 1K, okay. This is the input waveform I have fixed. Minus 20 to plus 20 is the sinusoidal input waveform given to the circuit. Now I am going with the first diode, negative reference, I will just give the value below 5 volts, everything should be cut off. Below 5 volts, the waveform, input waveform should be cut off below 5 volts. You need to give positive value only because VDC already we have inverted. Now I am going to the next VDC. I will give 3 volts, above 3 volts, everything should be cut off. Above 3 volts, or we will take 7. Above 7 volts, everything should be cut off. Okay, if you want to see some difference, I will give above 9 volts. Okay, positive half cycle above 9, negative half cycle below 5, everything should be cut off. This is two-way clipping. Now the values are given. Resistor 1K I am taking as it is. I want to see the input waveform. I will put a voltage probe at the input side. Output waveform, I will put voltage probe at the output side. Okay. First I am clicking input side. So the first waveform, it will be input waveform. Second I am clicking on the output side. So second waveform is output waveform. In the display also you have to remember any names for this probes. Accordingly we can identify which is input, which is output. Now I will go to analysis, setup, go to transient, and here I will give 100 nanoseconds to 10 milliseconds or 0 to 10 milliseconds. Okay, I have given the analysis setup. Now simulate. You have to get two-way clipping. Save the file. Two-way clipper. Two-way clipper. File name I have given two-way clipper. Save it.
Can you show the transient again?
Yes, 1 minute. One minute, I will come back to that. Now you can see red color is the input waveform. Red color is the input waveform. Plus 20 to minus 20. Plus 20 to minus 20 is the input waveform. And green color is the output waveform. Above 9 volts, I want clipping, cutting off. You can see horizontal line here. It is cut off. Okay. And below 5, it is cut off. So here horizontal. Above 9, it is horizontal. Below 5, it is horizontal. Green color is the two-way clipped output waveform. Two-way clipped output waveform. Coming to the transient setup, okay, analysis setup. In the transient, just the time, okay, 0 to 10 millisecond or 100 nanosecond to 10 millisecond, 100 nanosecond to 10 millisecond. This is the setting I have done. Analysis setup, transient, only these two values, okay. And when I execute, I am getting two-way clipper. Other clippers also you can try. No much components. It is very, very easy. Other clippers also you can try. For our lab point of view, experiment 8, two-way clipping. This values you can change as you want. Okay, I have put minus
Ma'am,
5
can you say the component name of the diode, ma'am?
diode D1,
Comp-
D1,
D1
N914.
and is
You can go to this library browser. You go to D1. If you drag here in D1N914, D1N914, okay, this component you have to use two diodes. Both are in parallel path. Both are in parallel path. One is facing upward, which means negative clipper. We are giving reference also minus 5. With the diode facing downwards, it is positive clipper, positive side clipping will take place. I have given 9 volts, so above 9 volts, everything will be clipped off. Input is sinusoidal waveform, 3 zeros. Okay, then amplitude 20 means minus 20 to plus 20. Frequency 1K. Frequency 1K. If you don't give frequency also, it will give error. Okay, this is about two-way clipping. This is about two-way clipping. Now just I will show clamper also. I will show clamper. Only two components. I have taken a new workspace. I have taken new workspace. I will take one diode and one capacitor. One diode, one capacitor, and V sign. V sign. V sign I will maintain the same because already in the previous thing we have done it. And diode, if you see, diode facing downwards means it is negative clamper, okay. So just I will select this. Control R is rotate. Facing upwards means positive side it will shift. No problem. I will put positive side. Okay, if you put negative side, the waveform will be shifting downwards. If you put upwards, waveform will shift upwards. Only this much is the components. And ground analog, we will join them. Capacitor in the series path and diode, only one closed path, okay. Circuit is completed, circuit completed. Now for the input I will give same 3 zeros so that remembering values will be easy for you. AC also 0, VF also 0, and V amplitude I will give 20, so the waveform will be minus 20 to plus 20. Frequency 1K. Frequency 1K. Now capacitor value 100 nanofarad. 100 nanofarad. capacitor value 100 nanofarad. Okay, completed. Circuit is completed. Diode is facing upwards, so it is positive clamping. Positive clamping. Waveform will shift upwards. If you rotate the diode downwards, waveform will shift downwards. Input waveform will shift downwards. I want to see both the input waveform as well as output waveform. So I am putting two voltage probes. Now the analysis setup also I will maintain same, so that you need not remember too many things. This I am maintaining 100 nanoseconds and then 10 milliseconds. 100 same analysis, same values I am putting close. Okay. Now if you execute, original waveform should be shifted upwards. This is positive clamping. Okay. EOS CLAMP. EOS clamper, positive clamper. Original waveform should be shifting upwards. Original sine waveform with respect to origin, it is having positive, negative half cycles. You can see here, red color is with respect to x-axis. Red color waveform is with respect to x-axis. You have positive half cycle, negative half cycle. Minus 20 to plus 20 is the voltage waveform. You can see red color, minus 20 to plus 20. Now the original waveform is shifted upwards. Green color, it is upwards. Okay. And it has completely gone up. The negative peak is touching x-axis. You can see positive clamper means negative peak will touch the reference voltage. We are not using any VR, means VR is 0. So 0 means x-axis. The green color, negative peak is touching x-axis. Full waveform has gone upward. Okay, 0 to 40 is the waveform. Only in the first half cycle, it cannot be predicted. You can see the working of the circuit will not come to steady state. In the theory, you will study all that. In the first half cycle, that rule is not followed. And remaining thing, once the circuit comes to steady state, means it will continuously work in a similar fashion. Until that point, capacitor charging, discharging, there will be some fluctuation. So first half cycle, that rule is not followed. That clamping rule is not followed. Okay, it is not clearly, it cannot be clearly observed. And the remaining complete, the waveform is above the x-axis, you can see. Now, if you inverse the diode direction, complete waveform will be shifted downwards. 0 to minus 40 will be the waveform. Okay, this is positive clamping. Positive clamping. Red color waveform is shifted upwards. Red color waveform is shifted upwards. We have seen two-lever clipper and positive clamper. Two-level clipper and positive clamper.